Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. Sa Tagalog, kayong lahat na nagpapagal at nabibigatang lubha, pumarito kayo sa akin. At bibigyan ko kayo ng kapahingahan. Pasanin niyo ang aking pamatok at mag-aral kayo sa akin sapagkat ako ay maamo at mababang loob at masusumpungan niyo ang kapahingahan ng inyong mga kaluluwa. Marahil marami sa atin dito ay may mga dalang burdens, worries, disappointments, or kapaguran. But God invites us into His presence, where our souls are restored and our minds are renewed. As we begin our worship, let's open our hearts to Him. Alisin muna natin